What's going on, everybody? In today's video, we're going to be showing you how you can return credits to your Audible account. So let's jump right into it. Alright, so before we get started with anything, I'm going to be doing this on the PC side, though you can do it on mobile, but not through the app. If you want to do it on your mobile device, you're going to have to go to www.audible.com in your web browser, and then you can follow along with what we're doing here. Now, I'm doing this on PC, however, it's going to be the same as if you were to do it on the web browser on your phone. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is go to audible.com, make sure that you're signed in, and then click on your account right here. It's going to have a drop-down menu, and go to your account details. Now from here, it's going to bring up all the books that you've checked out and stuff like that. You have all of your options here on the left-hand side, and you're going to scroll down to your purchase history, and then you can only return titles that you've had for the past year, right? So I got this book and it wasn't what I thought it was going to be. I have a similar book from the same author, but this is not something that I wanted. So you have your options here. You got your order details there. It costs 1 credit, and then you can return the title. So we're going to click on return this title, and then it's going to ask you, are you sure this is the one that you want to try to return the credit for? So you're going to click on confirm. And then it says 1 credit has been returned to your account, and you're going to click on OK. After that, it's going to bring you to this page that says you have returned your Big Leap Year, which is the title of the book that I had. The refund is being processed, and your credit will be added back to your account shortly. If you don't see it or have any questions, you should contact customer support, but this should happen automatically without any issues. So if we go back to the purchase history, you guys can see here it was returned today. And we now have 1 credit available, which we can use on any other book that you want. Now, actually, Audible's having a pretty good deal right now. You can get 2 titles for 1 credit, which is fantastic. That's probably what I'm going to use it for. But I just wanted to make this quick video in case any of you might have wanted to return a book that you didn't like. Maybe you used a credit on the wrong book. You didn't actually mean to do that. This is the way that you do it, and I hope you guys found it helpful. If you did, make sure you leave a comment in the comment section, and I will see you on the next video.